Hi Smarter Shoppers, Helen here from smarterreviews.com. Today we're reviewing Hair La Vie's Revitalizing Hair Blend. This hair vitamin has a combination of 20 all-natural, clinically proven active ingredients, which unite together to create a formula that helps repair and regrow hair. Hair La Vie has a unique list of ingredients that includes palmetto soreberry extract, organic kelp extract, horsetail herb, flaxseed oil extract, borage oil extract, and, of course, it has biotin, 5,000 milligrams in fact, double the daily amount, which essentially stimulates the hair follicles in warp speed. What most impressed us with this hair vitamin blend is that its ingredient list is extremely transparent. No surprises hidden in small print, and we verified that it contains 0 synthetic fillers or chemical binders. After conducting user surveys with you, our smarter shoppers, and our own in-house research, we found that this hair vitamin does what it says it does. It effectively speeds the hair growth process, leaving users with fuller hair and no side effects. We noted that users reported seeing initial results after about 3 weeks, but the most significant results came after 3 months of use. And Hair La Vie offers customers a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can spend time testing the product. Because of their combination of positive customer feedback, refund policy, and 20 clinically proven ingredients, we gave Hair La Vie's Revitalizing Hair Blend hair vitamins a 9.7 out of 10 for hair repair, hair growth, and hair strengthening. If you'd like to learn more about this hair vitamin product or others like it, visit us on smarter-reviews.com. Also, please subscribe for more Smarter Reviews product reviews with me, Helen, and we'll see all you smarter shoppers next time.